Hello and thank you for clicking on today's video. As you can tell by the title, we are doing a fridge cleanup and a grocery haul. I'll be cleaning out the fridge and freezer first. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jenny. I'm also new here too. I'm new to filming and starting this YouTube journey. I'm also a mom of 3 and a military wife, and I started to get hooked on these cleaning videos back in 2017, and I thought to myself, you know what? I want to film what I usually do. I want to get everyone motivated to start to clean with me. So here we are on my YouTube journey, and I hope that you enjoy my content and consider subscribing.
Not sure I really care. We're all of our demons, and they never disappear. I will forgive you.
This fridge was really gross, so I had to put down the camera after this clip and wipe it again, just because it was hard to clean with one hand while holding the camera with the other.
For you to prove me wrong, you're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater. Bit high on the feeling. Can't see.
Looking back on this clip, I think I would have rather have washed these trays instead of wiping them. And I think I'm gonna do that next time, because honestly, I think it would have just been way easier and much cleaner.
Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous.
So this is what the freezer is looking like. I'm gonna take everything out and give it a good wipe down. There is so many crumbs down in the bottom tray. I'm actually super embarrassed to even show that, you guys. But anyway, we're gonna get this all straightened out today.
Much better. Something about you feels so special. Prettier from the minute that I met you. can't get you off my mind.
I'm cleaning the fridge with the Weiman stainless fridge cleaner. I think that I called it Weiman in my last video. Let me know in the comments if I'm even saying that right. But anyway, it left my fridge streaky, so I'm kind of not too happy with this product, but I'm gonna still use it because I'm not wasteful like that. I spent money on this product and I'm not just gonna throw it in the trash, so I'm just gonna keep using it till it's gone. Alright guys, this is our grocery haul from Sam's Club. And there's some more over here. So I'm going to quickly go through these because my daughter's hungry. So first off, we got some blueberries, raspberries for my daughter Autumn. We got some strawberries, 2 packs. They were $4.98 each. And my kids really like kiwis, only if they're the yellow colored ones. We also got some pomegranates, orange juice, some milk, a 3-pack of milk, some vegetables, medley, and I also got this ground beef. It came in a 3-pack for $14.99, I believe. 2 packs of bacon, olive oil, we got eggs, and some muffins for a snack. They were $6.98 for 9 muffins. And all my kids really love this. It's the bao buns. And it's pork barbecue. And they come in a 4-pack. And it was $7.33. And my husband loves pepperoni, so we got pepperoni. We got string cheese. And I've never had this brand before, so I want to try it out and see if my kids like that or not. We got beef short ribs because I want to make Korean barbecue this weekend. And we also got some chicken tenderloins, a huge pack for $10.97. I can make so many things with that. I can make taquitos, I can make orange chicken, I can make something with pasta. So just a lot of ways you can cook with chicken. And also my husband wanted to try this soda drink kombucha concentrate. And he also got one of these for his soda stream, so he can make sparkling water. We got some fruit cups, some tortilla chips, some wonton dumplings, and then over here I wanted to try this big pack of assorted snacks from Garden Veggie. And I also have a huge pack of pinto beans. And I needed some raw sugar for my coffee and also some cereal. And this is a 2-pack. You know the drill. It's time to put these groceries away. And you know, I want to let you guys know that I'm thankful for having groceries. There was a time in my life when, you know, I had to really watch how I spent money, and I'm still doing that today as a family of 5. So I'm just really thankful and appreciative of what we have. It's truly a blessing, and I do not take it for granted whatsoever.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it.
My next video will be organizing this pantry. I'm not showing my pantry right now because it's truly a mess in there. But make sure you guys subscribe so you're notified of my new videos, and thanks for watching.